Hello class 8th student, it's a part 16. Say no to drugs, tobacco and alcohol. Means at this age, means the age of adolescence or the stage of puberty, the common problem is seen that drug abusing is used by the adolescents. So drug abuse is a very common problem among the adolescent. It refers to excessive use of certain drugs and substances such as pan, means bitter leaf, tobacco, alcohol, painkillers and mind alternating chemicals. Means we could say the drugs which change the mode of life, which change the mind alternations, mood swings. Okay. So there will be a lot of harmful effect of these drug taking or the tobacco and the alcohol. What we do for this means there is a lot of harmful effect and we not used all of these. So first we read the harmful effect, then we read about why or in which way we can prevent this. First, tobacco reduce lung capacity, cause wheezing and can cause lung cancer. It strain the heart and reduce lifespan. Means a habit of tobacco eating, it reduce lungs capacity, means the capacity of lungs to breathe up. We know this thing that lungs is a main organ which help us to breathe. Cause breathing means difficult to breathe, either as we seen in the case of cold, we see sometime we take and breathe with the nose or with the difficulty. So wheezing means breathe with difficulty and it cause the lung cancer also. It strain the heart and reduce lifespan, means it increases the strain or the stress on the heart and by this lifespan would be reduces. The second thing is that alcohol affect all the body organs including the brain. It slow down brain activity, muscle coordination, reflexes and speech. Too much alcohol can even reduce breathing or heart rate. Means it's the same effect like the tobacco. Alcohol also if badly affect our body, in especially or the including with the brain also. It slow down the brain activity. Person goes in the unconscious conditions. Okay, muscles coordination is not proper. He can't hold tightly the objects or the things. He can't walk proper. Reflexes and speech, means it unable to speak properly. Reflexes means to respond to the other things, respond to the other external environment. It is not also to play proper. Too much alcohol can even reduce the breathing or the heart rate also, means heart rate and the breathe rate, feeling difficulty in breathing. It also be affected by the alcohol. Taking drug can be dangerous. It can create hallucinations, means amazing surrounding and feeling sensation that are unreal. It means taking drugs can be dangerous. It can create hallucination means those things are not present. You could feel that they are in the real, in our surrounding. In your surrounding the things are real. Here the meaning is also imagine surrounding, means you could imagine that is not real. You just imagine and feeling sensation that are unreal and you feel some sensation, some feelings that are and those are not in actually done, that is not happening in the real. those things you are feeling by taking the drugs. It makes a person addictive. It makes the person addictive, means habitual to that. If you don't get that particular drug, you will be feeling irritation and so much unconsciousness and all, or we can say the more badly affect our bodies. Addiction to any one of these can lead to lack of concentration, means this addiction can't be allow you to focus over your work. This such type of addiction or the drugs is not permitting you to focus your work. Here the lack of concentration due to the unavailability of this drug, lack of concentration, inability to work and lack of judgment, and has negative impact on family relationship and the friends. It also make the user impulsive and they may find it difficulty to maintain emotional stability. So by taking these drugs, person getting weak at the emotional level, their relationships also be affected, and he is, if the proper drug at which he is addicted, if he don't get it on time, it feels or it causes the lack of concentration, inability to work or irritations which badly affect the person's health. So these are the harmful effects of drugs, alcohol and tobacco. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.